This is a video of Imani I2 Plus in the repair center. This particular breast pump has a battery problem, meaning it is draining faster than usual. The whole video will cover from testing the unit, measuring its suction level at each mode, then opening or disassembly of the pump. Upon opening, the existing battery will be removed and changed with a new one. After changing the battery, the i2 Plus is being tested again, measuring the suction at massage mode and expression mode. At this point, all levels were tested and measurements passed. It is now ready for assembly. This video is not a tutorial video. This is just an illustration of battery repair. Thank you for watching.